Hello, this is IK Tutors, and we're here with the high school assessment on decimals. This is question number 5. So it's the high school assessment on decimals, how to read and round. Question number 5. Let's begin. So the question states, multiply each of the following numbers by 10. And they give us a listing of numbers A through F. Right. So we have to remember is, and I'll write this down here. Okay. Remember that moving the decimal point one place to the right is the same as multiplying the original decimal by 10. So if they ask us to multiply each of the following numbers by 10, all we have to do is move that decimal place one place to the right, and we'll get the same value. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. And you can test this on your calculator. You can multiply 0.1. If you go on your calculator, you multiply 0.145, you're going to see that you get if you multiply it by 10, I'm sorry, you're going to see that you get 1.45, right? If we just move the decimal place one place over to the right, we get 1.45. So we get the same thing, right? So let's write that out just for the first one. So 0.145 times 10 equals 1.45, right? And we can do it another way too. If we just remember, well, this is supposed to be remember here, that all we need to do is shift the decimal place, moving the decimal one place to the right is the same thing. We can just start off with 0.145, shift the decimal place one place to the right, which gives us 1.45, the exact same answer, okay? All right, so that's the technique we're going to use here. Let me just correct this spelling on remember. We're just going to shift the decimal place, decimal one place to the right for each of those numbers, and we'll get the correct answer. You can always double check yourself by multiplying the number by 10 on the calculator. All right, so this is for A. Now we're going to do B, which is 0.243. Again, we're just going to shift that decimal place one place to the right. So that's going to give us 2.43. For C, the number they've given us was 0.13. We're going to shift that decimal point to the right, and we're going to get 1.3. For D, they give us 5.891. We're going to shift this decimal point to the right, and we're going to get 58.91. For E, they gave us 0.63. We're going to shift that decimal place to the right, and we're going to get 6.3. And for F, we're going to do the same thing. They give us 25. Now, there's no decimal place shown in 25, but by default, the decimal place is always to the right of the last digit, the rightmost digit. So the last digit on 25 is 5, and there's a default decimal there. So we're going to just move that default decimal place one place to the right, right here. Right? And we're going to put a 0 in that place. So we're going to get 250. Right. Okay, and that's it. So I hope this helped. If it did, please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Have an amazing day.